Today we're going to take a look at our beautiful new 1972 Chevelle SS 454. Just came in a couple days ago. Absolutely beautiful show quality Chevelle. Finished in the awesome colors of black and white, tuxedo black, white bucket seat interior, white SS stripes, rare cowl induction with the flapper from the factory. This is a totally documented, real 72 SS 454 Chevelle. Still riding on the correct Chevelle rally wheels from 1972. BF Goodrich radial tires. Show quality paint. Beautiful sheet metal on the car. Looks like the original door skins on the car. Definitely the original quarter panels. The numbers are still there. Cool hood pins. Beautiful show quality. White interior. Black dash. Black carpet. Absolutely beautiful everywhere you look. And correct. Somebody, black headliners, perfect. Somebody spent a whole lot of money and a whole lot of time building this car. And preserving this car. Original 454, original turbo 400 automatic transmission, numbers matching. And all of the equipment on this car is documented on the broadcast sheet, the build sheet that we happen to have. That goes with the car, and the original bill of sale that goes with the car as well. All the lights work. Beautiful door panels. How about power door locks on your Chevelle? Remote control mirror. Console at the back of the, or the light at the back of the console working like it's supposed to. Correct SS steering wheel. Rally dash. All the gauges. Factory cold air conditioning in your SS 454. Aftermarket radio, I'd pull that out and put a stock one in. There's the air conditioning right there. Correct cigarette lighter. Beautiful factory console. And shifter. And that flapper hood is rare and cool. Goes up and down depending on whether you're accelerating or not, and that is the proper position when it's not running. Sport mirrors. The trunk is outfitted beautifully. Doors open and close flawlessly. And if I sound excited about this car, it's because I am. How about factory bumper guards, front and rear? Let's take a look under the hood. Nice and clean underneath too. No apologies. There you go, right there. Right where Chevrolet put it in this car back in 1972. 454 big block, factory air, power disc brakes, power steering. Looking just like the day it did when it was born on the assembly line. And running just as well also. This is a documented low mileage car. I believe it's 63,000 and change. Has the correct cowl induction hood. And the ducting to feed that cold air down into the carburetor. These engines were rated factory at 270 horsepower. Even the hood light works there. Chevrolet actually underestimated the power on these cars. The government had mandated earlier that compression ratios had to come down. So Chevrolet went to work real hard on the heads for their 454s to keep the power still coming from those engines, and they did. This car will absolutely nail you to the back of the seat, even with all this luxury equipment. It runs fantastic. Still got the 331 posi rear in it. This is definitely collector grade in a 72 Chevelle, and the nicest one I've ever seen. If you have an interest in a special car like this, give me a call. My name is Jeff Whitaker. You can reach me at 410-562-9319. That's the rumble we love. Oh, by the way, tilt steering wheel too. Another nice feature.